read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we will teach to the students uppercase and lowercase letter R. Expected learning outcomes. The student is expected to identify the uppercase and the lowercase letter R. Learn the words that start with the sound R. Learn the formation of the letter R. Uppercase R, lowercase r. Here are 4 vocabulary words like rabbit, rainbow, and rose, rock. Use different flashcards like rain, rat, ruler, run. Okay? Call 2 students. Say them that they have to run. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, like that. After visualizing these flashcards, we will start how to write it. Uppercase and lowercase letter R, its sound, vocabulary words, and the story. So, after telling all these vocabulary words and different objects, you will teach the formation of uppercase and lowercase letter R, same like this. Start from the first line, come straight down, make semicircle, make slant line. It will make capital R. Start from second line, come straight down and jump, stop. It will make small r. The letter name is R. The sound of R is rain, rain. Okay, when the student will be right, you have to roam in the class and observe, are they writing exactly, correctly? Okay, guide them, they will speak out. Start from the dot, come straight down, make semicircle, make slant line. It will make capital R. Start from second line, come straight down, jump and stop, jump and stop. It will make small r, capital R, small r. Respect others. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Okay, after this, story time. A rabbit sat on a rock. It held a rose in its hand. After the rain, a rainbow appeared in the sky. After telling the story, ask a different question about this short story. I hope so you understood how you have to teach in the class. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.